Good evening everyone, welcome to Mr. LeFX. In this video we are going to analyze XAUUSD, which is gold. In 1 hour time frame we are seeing that there is a bullish moment already happening in gold. See, there is a double bottom formation happen. Now it running nearby the shoulder area. If it is rejected by this shoulder area, then it will be goes bearish. But if breakouts this shoulder area, there is a huge breakout, so it tends to huge bullish moment up to the next resistance. In 1 hour time frame there is no nearby resistance. It has a huge possibility of going up to 1844515. Actually this is not a huge target, this is a possibility. If you want to make a particular target, then you can use some more indicators like Fibonacci retracement area. It gives idea on that. Same time you can take step down this time frame and take a nearby resistance as a target. I'm going with 5-minute time frame. In 5-minute time frame you can see there is no nearby resistance. It breaks this resistance and going upside, so there is no nearby resistance which is available near this one. As we are having a target in 1 hour time frame, we have a target of 1845, but in 5-minute time frame we can't go until that. For a shorter trade I will suggest for gold, if it is going to in a bullish manner, we can accept 100 pips or 200 pips. If you going to take more than that, that you are risking your trade, and it depend upon your money management and risk management. You can choose your targets, but in this it is clearly showing that gold XAUUSD is going in a bullish manner, so we can take the trade here. If in 5-minute time frame I'm going with the long position, if again I'm going to take this trade, see in 5-minute time frame also you can see this is a resistance. If you want to take a long position you can take, or else it will be bounce back, then you can also take the trade. So there is some possibilities of pullback. And if I take this trade from here, this is my trade setup, this will be my trade setup. See, I take a long position from here, I'm taking this as a long position area. See, I take this as the biggest resistance which will be going to act as a support now, and I will take the trade further going to 1:2 risk reward ratio. So my target will be 1834.017, or else you have to wait for this area. Then if you buying at a pullback, you can going to buy nearby here, and we taking this as an entry point. If you want wait and watch and want to take the trade, means further you can go. If it pullbacks here, you can take the trade here and take this as a stop loss and take this as a target. But I wish to go with here because it's going in a bullish manner, so I'm going to take this trade here 182425.400, and I will make a target of 1833.765, which gives a risk reward ratio of 1:2. Hope you guys enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more informations. Thank you.